For that, I will take one sip of coffee. Coming to the video, I'm going to discuss all about like what is 1 year course, what is, should I go with the 1 year course, should I go with the 2 year course. So this course in a 12 months, then you will be PSW visa. If you qualify this like use like more and coming to the second year. Ooh. Hello viewers, welcome back to Paltya channel. Name me Prem Kumar Paltya. So before that, I will take one sip of coffee. The autumn season with the coffee, the deadliest combination. ఒక్కసారి అలా చూపి ఆటమ్ సీజన్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో, ఆకులు కానీ చెట్లు కానీ వెదర్ కానీ వావ్. This is the grape chettu. Coming to the video, I'm going to discuss all about like what is 1 year course, what is 2 year course. The students are really messed up with this, like what is this industry year, what is this like placement year. Should I go with the 1 year course, should I go with the 2 year course? So lots of people like who will take 1 year course, like what kind of advantage, like benefits he can get. Like if he take like 2 year course, what advantages he can get. So I'm going to discuss everything regarding this like 1 year course and 2 year course. Starting to this 1 year course, basically in this 1 year course, straight away you will be counted for 12 months. So the student who is coming for around like January intake, if for example January 2020, so he straight away he gonna complete January 2021, he gonna complete his course. So this is the actually route map for this 1 year course. So in this there are three things are involved, like 3 semesters. First one is semester 1 involves like 4 subjects, semester 2 involved with 4 subjects, then dissertation period. So in the dissertation period it involves like 3 months. So entire 12 months will cover this 3 semester, like semester 1, semester 2, semester 3. So there is straight away attend the classes for 12 months. If you are done with this course in 12 months, then you will be straight away get your master's degree, then done apply for the graduation visa or PSW visa, then go to these next 2 years which is PSW visa. If you qualify this graduation in this, who will take 1 year course, what are the advantages you will get? The people who having straight away the industry experience around 2 to 3 years, and they want to do a master's education in UK, so straight away they can do this thing because they already have the industry experience. So take this experience and like use in your CV after coming here. This experience, whatever the experience you have, that would be like more advantage and benefit when you come here applying for the job. Like people are confusing, like should I go with the 1 year course, should I go with the 2 years course, right? So I from my experience I suggest students to take this course like who got experience, already experience in industry, like 2 to 3 years or some like plus 2 years experience. So straight away they can opt this 12 months of course. So they can utilize this thing because they are already in the experience, they are having a hands-on experience in the industry. So there is no need of taking the industry placement year here. That's my perspective, but basically if someone is holding the industry experience, that would be a more weightage on your resume too, and you can easily get a job straight away after your 1 year course completion. So this is the route actually. So take an advantage if you are taking the 12 months course, I mean to say 1 year course. Please do have some industrial experience. That will be like really great advantage for you guys. It doesn't mean like people straight away taking the 12 months course like freshers, like graduating recently and taking 1 year course. It doesn't mean like don't take it, but it means like you have to work hard, you have to get industrial experience. So here experience is really matters. So that's why getting experience is one of the huge advantage for the students who is planning for the masters in UK. So that is one advantage. But the freshers, you can also apply, no worries. There is a will, there is a way. So, and all the best for you all people who is coming to the like UK for 1 year as a fresher or a senior, and coming to the 2-year course. So lots of different universities, they will come up with this sandwich here, uh, placement year, industry, this type of a title you will get on your course thing. So computer science with industry, computer science with placement, so computer science with something like sandwich opportunity. So the people who is like more into this fresher type, so they can have a very huge advantage. Why? Because university is giving a wide range of opportunity. So after you people are coming here, so 1 year is straight away semester 1, semester 2. Then in second year you will be having an opportunity to do an internship in UK market. So if you are from the respective branch like computer science or a management, you can straight away go to the market websites in the UK. Straight away you have to apply, I'm looking for an internship. So for that you have to do a really hard work. You have to work really well on your CVs, and you have to well updated with your CV in UK format, update with the LinkedIn's, and straight away release your job profile or whatever you are looking for. Look into these website portals. So this is what you can take an advantage for the freshers. As well as like, why freshers? Because of freshers like who is recently graduated coming to the UK and having the work experience is like really typical, but there is an opportunity to get this thing like internship thing. So to get easily this internship thing part, what you can do, so please involve more on your cultural activities in your respective universities, like clubs, activities. There are different extracurricular activities held in your universities. Try to build the more network, try to involve with the more people, try to have a good rapport with your professors. So if you have any kind of a doubt regarding your career, there will be a separate department for your career growth advice. So there is no need of worry for the industry people who is seeking here. Straight away, as I said, for the fresher or the experience, straight away do first 1 year as a course, like 1 year as a 4 semester, second year like first semester as a 4 semester, second semester has a four modules, like 4 subjects. Do clear that, then you will be eligible for the placement. That placement means you are officially have an opportunity to do a work industry level experience in respective your course. So for that, as I already mentioned, please actively participate in the university activities, like cultural activities, clubs. There are different clubs going to involve in your universities. So try to involve with that, maintain rapport, build the network and there are lots of workshop as well. So try to be involved in that, so then you will be knowing what exactly you are doing and what exactly you are going to do. So that will make your opportunity like a good point of view, like good thing for you for your career thing. Because when you get in this like wide range of network and the good rapport with the professors, so you can straight away ask like, this is what I do, this is so I want to do an internship, please guide me. So they'll straight away they'll guide you. So rather than like working somewhere around like part-time outside in the internship year, doesn't make doesn't make any growth in your career career development thing. So try to involve more on the activities in the universities, try to involve more on the cultural activities in your university. And one more thing, when you are come up with this thing as intern year, so straight away you have to submit, these things like you have to submit an offer letter around like 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, depend on the offer you get from the respective company. Then submit to the university and they will accept. You will be continuing that year, like after the first year, in second year you will be continuing entirely as a intern, which is paid and unpaid. So some university will accept paid, some university will accept unpaid, so some university accept both paid and unpaid internships. So and mostly after this thing, if you are really really doing great in the respective company as an intern, straight away they'll be taking for the long term. This is the pathway, but in that, after your completion of your duration, the intern offer, straight away you have to complete the next part is dissertation, which is the main project. Whatever you have worked on this company as a data analyst, data senior software analyst, software analyst, or somewhere like HR recruiter, whatever it is, the respective role you work, you have to develop a dissertation thesis part, like project part, for next 3 months. Then you are going to complete a successfully 2 years. This is what the 2 years course duration. And you can opt, like freshers can opt, senior persons, senior not senior, experienced persons can also take this course. So if I am lagging behind something, if my English is not good, please please don't mind, guys. So if you're having really really want to study here, like in UK for 1 year course, I have cleared all the doubts regarding the 1 year course. Straight away you will be jumping the university, straight away you're gonna complete, like in 12 months you're gonna complete the entire course, like semester 1, semester 2, semester 3 dissertation part. But in the year, in the 2 year course, 1 year is for semester, then internship, then graduation, dissertation part, then graduation, then straight away if you are doing well in the respective company as an intern, straight away you will be opted as a long-term employee. But the people from my suggestion and a small suggest I'm giving to you people who is really looking into this 2 year course, guys, you have a great opportunity to build a interested career, your interest part of career in a respective companies where you are really interested, and the universities are giving an opportunity. So hope you guys are do aware of everything, I guess, like 1 year course and 2 year course, and this is what the main thing. And if people are watching this, not this video, people are visiting this channel for first time, please do subscribe, and if you have any queries, please comment below. And I'm also giving my Instagram. Please you can directly contact me to the through the Instagram. So till the next video, see you, take care, bye bye.